Do you feel like anxiety is controlling you or that all you're doing is trying to control your anxiety? If you feel like that way, you're not alone. There's millions of people who are having this exact same issue. I used to have it like a lot, but I went through the system that I want to share with you. And it's talking directly with that part of you that's creating that pattern or looping, or I don't know, some of my clients call it scanning, where they'll wake up in the morning and they scan. They're scanning themselves. Oh, am I anxious today? And you know what? Sure enough, they're finding it. If that is you, and you don't want to be doing this scanning or looping through the anxiety any longer, join me for this workshop, because what we're going to do is we are going to go through and I'm going to show you how to deal with this. I'm going to show you how you're going to talk directly with your subconscious, that part of you that has this pattern of behavior, and we're going to ask it to change. And if it has any objections, we're also going to address those objections, because sometimes it's doing something that it feels was the right thing for you at some point in time. Now, if we can tell it what it is that we want it to do, it wants your happiness. Trust me, it does. And that's what we're going to do. We are going to change it that day. You are going to be, from this live workshop, at the beginning, we will know what it is. So, like the pain scale. So, your pain is from 0 to 10, 10 being the worst. What we're going to do is we're going to find out where this anxiety is for you, and we're going to get it to 0 by the end of this workshop. How is that going to be for you? If you answer that would be amazing, then get in this workshop. That's all I can say. You can get in this workshop. Get in it today. It's a live workshop. It's this Saturday, the 17th. I would love to have you in there, and I would love to be able to help you with this, and we can make the change for you that day. If you're tired of waiting, if you're tired of looking at all the affirmations, and you're tired of trying to this medication to that medication, if you're tired of doing meditation, if you're tired of doing affirmations, if you're tired of starting over and over again, only to come back to the old patterns of behaviors that you've had, to that scanning that you no longer want to do, if you're tired of that and you're ready to make a change, then sign up for this course. It's one day, and we're going to make a change for you. I look forward to see you in this workshop. It's going to be an amazing day. Most of the people that I've had come into these, they say it is the most profound thing that they have ever done in their lives. It is the most awesome thing that they've ever done in their lives. They do not understand why they didn't do this so much sooner in their lives. I don't want you to wait. I don't want you to miss this one. So sign up for this course today. Get in this workshop. It's the 17th. What are you going to be able to do without this debilitating, scanning anxiety that you have now? I'm only here to help you with that. You're going to be more confident. You're going to be able to do the things that you want to be able to do. I also have testimonials. Ask me questions. Send me a message if you have questions about it. But don't wait. Get into this. What's the rest of your life going to look like without all this anxiety? I look forward to seeing you in the workshop.